Here we go, tornado damage in Joplin on both sides of the road. There's the cleanup crews. All pretty much destroyed out in this end of town. It was a big one when it come through. It came through big. Probably, I don't know, EF5, 4 or 5 damage. Here's a mural that they've made, painted on the side of that wall because they have tornado damage up here. Here we go with the tornado damage. Yeah, look on your right, your left. See how wide it was too. Just look out through there, dear.
Oh, I know.
Look, no, that
awful.
one.
Look at that.
As far as you can see, folks. That's at least a mile wide here.
Sounds great.
As far as you can look and see. Damage. This used to be a gas station right there. See the roof of it. Restaurant over here. Other building, businesses and such. Still got damage over on the side. We've already been a mile. Okay. Okay, here we are on Connecticut Avenue. We just turned off 43. Heading back, about 3 or 4 or 5 blocks over from where we come towards, the other direction. Now we're going back this way. I'm going to get some video of this wide path of damage here at Joplin. And now we're coming into the debris area. The trees, some of these trees are just now getting green back on them. They were completely stripped of all leaves and all grass. There's a little old lady here. Just got missed on her damage there. Just missed it. Goes right next door. Destruction. Look out through the apartments over there. All these apartments. That's just one block. That's probably 200 people there affected in these apartments. More trees, more damage.